and we a Quarry site, Chinese company, and Ghana for a Juma, but it's owned by a Chinese company. Na explosion akoswa.
Akoma FM.
It's so terrible. Oh, Ghana, yensua hwe. We didn't learn from any mistake. We don't learn from any event. Asem de ba ne adane you pity. Oh, ochina ibesi edan. Ya totoa papa so sa ye wia. No. Just like that. Then we destroy ourselves. And therefore, join on Facebook page. You weep. Area one in the western region, you know the same explosion.
87.9 Kumasi.
Appear to obey the history of Ghana and the part of Dono. A pre-prior. Now, at you for Oshasa, Okojama will get me the video. Explosion, yeah, a course or a western region here. Now, this is it. I say what was pa. Oba Kroimwa. Virtually everything is down. Everything. China for take advantages. Yeah, I may catch yourself. Every warehouse of Okroma is owned by Chinese.
87.9 Kumasi.
Every warehouse I work Ghana Hebia now is owned by Chinese company. Oko even from Anyang Kwanta Pechi. Ultra kwa major warehouse will be a China in Asia. Na a foreigner. Nye China in Asia. Na Lebanese. Nye China in Asia. Na Lebanese. We have Nenisa apostrophe. What team? Adiano or show Munkwan. They don't look at the safety of others. Therefore, what is the difference between we and the PhD is here? Nipa 8 and actually 1 kwan. In this explosion, people are not talking. Nobody appears to be worried. A vast area scattered. And therefore, explosions are what was China for the year Juma Ukromano. Bianya Hoshe. And yet, Ukroma. Yet then as anima wait me free port. Ebesi chem western region. Na kwa ura. When we have our people a timpani people who supposed to be working, watch it. Destroyed. Near the sanima way na uba no mo ba. Na your police, near security, near soldiers, near the siren. Near the aquacura. At you for Oba Facebook page now share the see yet a piety and a year area and aboso, right? Difference be any share entire community raised down.
87.9 Kumasi.
And one question pen will be able to say, so what were the precautionary measures I had to her? Yet you cromwa Emma Fija Quarry, right? Yes. Ya Quarry, ho, Emma me no kasa timemufo weri ho kasa eka yemfuo yansase o te hwa gugugugugum.
Kofi Quarry men kwachi, maminchi na minchi.
Yes.
Last week Friday, me ko Fija Quarry South. Me kokode e, un se hono mo ye Quarry site.
Yes.
Kofi na ura Quarry site hono mo a, obi fie. Omo ye blasting.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Site ho.
About a bunch chance then so look at this.
Oh, okay.
Into a pine chance then a form.
Jesus Christ.
And
hey, Bobani
Bini. We a typical example of near Koso or piety. Your friend is a western region honomo. We see a Quarry site. Into share just imagine share
a right bedroom.
Kofi bi no mo de kra de e wura mo bedroom eto mo mpaso e wo honomo a e wo kode honomo a as a result of this quarry activities. This is what is happening.
And so obo kwan ye and so bibieri ho a yenya free so and people are just there. You will leaders. You kwako MC. You pen puduo di amano. You hu MP. You pen puduo di amano. You hu nananom wohene wodibia kan cha so and wape Benz edem and woba no wape sumia to car echi na Viagra egu ni car echi. Say ya ni eko ni eba onya sumie ba akoto ne car echi no wape chinye ba akwa to chinye tuntum na wape ayi nkapo ye tototo no ayi manhia nim heye bi ama ne de susu na Viagra gu echire ho eno ano no
7.9 Kumasi.
Hey,
so this is it. Come
on.
A pine nipa na me ko ni fie no. A pine car glass. Ni fie no atete e ho no mu nyina. So Kofi just imagine say sa abo we ebebeto efisro ebebeto dan mu. Anase bi e ka obi a automatically nipa kro no be wu. Ma me bi a ye ni di nkomo. Kofi o se o ton niema e wo ho no mu a. O twe ne ho a e na abo no bi beto. Enyema na ochinim just like that. Maame ba ko asebio se ne kunu na ni efra e wo ho no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na abo na ba beto ne nchen wo ho no. Che say almost every time they live in a very scary environment. Omo complainia, nothing is being done about it.
Ma yentie one of the officers Emma aboso anto aboso explosion no one of the Perifere explain.
It happened around 10 p.m. Okay, I was actually at home and then one of my welder called Emmanuel called claiming there is a kind of disaster around, so I have to quickly come around. And then to be sincere, I met my security men, 4 of them injured that are already being carried, sent, and then they are being sent to the hospital. So I came around, and then we found 3 dead bodies. 2 guys and then a lady. And then from the look of things, the lady actually isn't my worker. She came to visit a worker of mine. And then it's unfortunate that actually happened. So the police helped. We searched everywhere. Actually, we saw scattered skin or body parts of these 5 Chinese men that were supposed to also be at the work site. We saw human hair, which actually clarified that particular skin we saw was a lady. That is the Chinese lady we had among the Chinese people we have here. Okay, so we actually confirmed it that lady has also passed out, adding to the 3 blacks that we saw. Actually, that night, 22 workers were expected to be. Actually, 6 Chinese men, and then the remaining blacks. Actually, they've been carried to the mortuary. The injured were carried to the hospitals, okay, and then the dead ones are sent to the mortuary.
Observe where explanation workers and penny phone be mu. Na videos no therefore you can't watch it. Me sorry. I mean can apologize to you. The sensitivity of Sadia win. We will be a winter shadia and pay sorry. On Facebook page Mama show or say Chrome TV. Very, 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 very terrible. Hey, they say nipa na anu ase. Oh,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Apeti de esi ye ni ati committee. Ye si dan ya ma womo, ye fa ha ebesia ni ye frase na gina ponum ni nam ho ene we. They did one man time be forget here. We've all forgotten about it. Nobody talks about it. And any my Ghana. This is a country asemsia obi anya kakra obedi awia eno anu no mo amaka no mu edwamfuru o maje wo mu de awie obi asem bia ba esi wo mo obi peso fa ho
87.9 Kumasi.
Share explosion ni pada se ni pa ni chese niema asai ewo ho. You don't just seem to understand anything. Ye bisa say what at all